Hello everyone. This screencast will cover two things. One, how to add someone to your course, and two, how to make someone an admin once they're in your course. So this is very important for grade level teams and also for teachers who service your students, like special education teachers. The reason it's very important to add each other to your courses is so that you can begin to share resources. One of the great things about Schoology is connecting with other educators, especially those within your building, so that when you're planning together and you're planning, units or lessons, you can split the responsibilities. Everybody can make one or two resources, and then you can share them in Schoology by copying them to your course from another course. So when you're accessing Schoology, always make sure to go in through BCPS1. So you're going to go to BCPS1 and you're going to access Schoology right here. You're going to click on it. It's going to take you to Schoology, and you'll notice up here I have my courses and groups. So we're going to be focusing on courses right now. You're going to click on courses, and you're going to scroll over here to My Courses. Now, homeroom teachers already have some courses created for them. For example, you'll have your homeroom, ELA, math, science, social studies, and your students are already going to be linked to those courses. So what I would say to do is you want to make sure that you are doing this side by side. You do not want to write down any access codes on a piece of paper. And the reason for that is in your courses, there is a lot of student information, including data, especially once you start giving some assessments. And you do not want anybody to be able to have access to that data other than teachers within the building that are servicing those students. So to join a course, you're going to go right here to join a course, and when you click on that, you'll notice this access code shows up, and here is where you're going to put in the access code for the course that you're going to join. So you'd put it in here and click join. To give somebody the access code to your course, you're going to click one of your courses, and over here on this right side navigation, if you scroll down, you'll see the access code. It is not case sensitive, so I would have them open their device beside me. You would give them this access code. They're going to plug that in and then click join. Once they join, they'll then be here. They're going to be a member of your course. To make somebody an admin, you're going to find their name. Notice there are 5 admin on this course already. This little shield lets you know who's an admin. So to make somebody an admin, you're going to go to this little gear. And if I click on this gear, you'll see these options. And right here is make admin. You're going to want to confirm. The reason you're going to want to make them an admin is because they're going to be able to see stuff in there that the students can't see. They're also going to be able to copy resources to their course. So you're going to want to make them an admin, and then you're going to want to do the same thing for their course. You're going to want to get the access code, and you're going to want to join their courses. And I would do that for math, ELA, science, and social studies, as well as allowing the special educators and other resource teachers in the building to join those courses. Another way to add a member, other than giving them the access code, is I can go right here to add members, and I can type in, their last name, and then if you click on that person, you'll be able to add them as members. Notice that this is Hepville Elementary, and it will be all of the students as well as teachers when you look for members. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to email me,jalexander3@bcps.org.